guys, putting in some headlights from Auxito. We've got some a little bit faded headlights. They need a little more brightness going down the road at night. We did a little before video, and then we'll install these Auxito LED direct plug and play. LED headlights. See if we get a little more brightness out of them. We're going to change these headlight bulbs on this 2010 Ford Escape. We're going to click back on this wiring harness, and they can be jammed on there pretty good over the years, so we'll use a little screwdriver to help us kind of pry the harness off. The clicker's broken. Uh-oh. All right, we're gonna spin this bulb out. Just give her a little turn counterclockwise. Take our bulb out. There we go. And when these wiring harnesses don't want to come apart, we're gonna put a little pick underneath of there, because when you press the button, the wiring harness is supposed to come off, but it's not. So we'll take a little pick. We'll get up underneath of there and manipulate the tab ourselves to get the harness off. All right, I got this little clip loosened up now. We can pull our harness off. Gloves, always recommended for install. Here's our new Auxito headlights. They look like something that goes on a spaceship. And these are direct plug and play, no ballast or anything needed. And we have the old seal from the old light bulb. We'll just throw that away. We got a new one here, and we just line her up, Buttercup. Twist to lock it in. Wiring harness back on. Till you hear the click. We are all installed. Easy as that. Let's go for a test drive now. Well, customer states headlights are much brighter now. A lot more visibility going down the road. A lot cheaper than replacing both headlamps. So it's a win. Head over to Auxito.com. Fill in your make, model, year. Select your light bulbs. Bada boom. On checkout, use code Carl's Garage to take 15% off.